Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix live access as needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you're getting the error like this while going live on TikTok, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the TikTok app. So let me open the TikTok app. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on your profile here. Now make sure that if you have enough followers, okay guys, if you have 1k follower and still you're getting the error like this, it means you have turned on the restriction. So just simply have to tap on three lines, and now from here guys, go to settings and privacy, and now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to content preferences, and now from here guys, go to restricted mode and make sure that if you have not turned on restricted mode. Now go back from here, again go back, and now from here guys, tap on live. Now you can see here guys, live option. If live option is showing here for you guys, then go back. Now after that guys, scroll it down all the way, and now from here guys, tap on report a problem. Now take the screenshot of your problem. Now from here, tap on live. Now scroll it down and you can see here guys, hosting live. Tap on that and wait some seconds again. Now tap on live is suspended. Tap on no, and now from here guys, tap on need more help. Now here you have to put the screenshot of your problem, and here you have to write, hello TikTok team, I want to go live on TikTok but I'm getting the error as per screenshot, please fix my issue as soon as possible. So just simply have to write that, and after that guys, tap on submit and your request will be submitted, and hopefully TikTok team will contact with you and hopefully they will resolve your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.